Charging by induction. Bring two metal spheres A and B supported by insulating stands. These two metal spheres are in contact with each other. Now, bring a positively charged rod near one of the spheres, say A, taking care that this rod do not touch metal sphere A. The free electrons in the spheres are attracted. Since the two spheres are in contact, it can act as single body. Free electrons in the spheres are attracted towards the rod. This leaves excess positive charge on the rear surface of the sphere B. Both kinds of charges are bound in the metal spheres and cannot escape. They therefore reside on the surfaces as shown in this diagram. We can see not all the electrons in the spheres have accumulated on the left surface of A. Why? As the negative charges start building up on the left surface of A, other electrons are repelled by these accumulated electrons. In short time, an equilibrium is reached under the action of force of attraction of the rod and force of repulsion due to the accumulated charge. Hence, this figure shows the equilibrium situation. The process is called induction of charge. Next, let us see. The two spheres are not in touch now. They are separated by a small distance. While the glass rod is still held near the sphere A, and glass rod is also not touching the spheres or any of the sphere. The two spheres are found to be oppositely charged and they attract each other. Now remove this rod. The charges on the spheres rearrange themselves as shown in the figure. Earlier, the charges were on the rear side. Now, on removal of the glass rod, which is charged positively, what happens is these charges accumulate on either ends come closer. Hence, they show a sort of attraction. Again, the glass rod is removed and the two spheres are now separated quite far apart. The charges on them get uniformly distributed over them. In this process, the metal spheres will be equal and oppositely charged, and the charges are residing on the surface. Charges are uniformly distributed over the surface. This process is called charging by induction. Thank you.